Get ready with me para magka-jowa. Joke lang. I mean, kung meron, why not? Anyway, kung gusto mong magka-jowa, do this makeup. And if you're a guy and you're still scared to use makeup kahit 2025 na, it's a you problem. Kung gusto mong magka-jowa, you need to look like your best self so you can use a skin stick kasi super easy to use and hindi mo na kailangan aralin pa. This one's from AC. This is the shade Hazel and super easy to blend. You can use your fingers or you can use a brush. Just look at how it blends onto my skin like butter. Super smooth. See the difference with the skin stick and without the skin stick? Feeling ko this pa lang, pwede ka nang magka-jowa. For the next step, if you look stressed, you might need to put a little concealer dito lang sa under eye pero not too near your waterline. And then just blend it all over. And then I like to use this puff to blend everything together para mukha lang siyang skin. Now, you probably look super pale so don't be scared to put a little blush para kahit first date pa lang, kinikilig ka na. I'm using this blush from Chuchu Beauty. This is in Creamside Rose. This is my favorite blush placement kasi when you blend it out, para lang siyang natural flush ng skin mo. We're almost done. We're just gonna set the face with powder. I'm using this gel powder from Issey, and as you can see, it's super used, pero don't judge the book by its powder puff. Basically, it's in a gel form, but once you apply it, nagtatransform siya into powder. Don't forget your brows, by the way. I'm using this Sunny's Life Brow in black brown. Setting spray. And wag kalimutan mag-lip balm para ready for some action. To style my hair, I use this wax from Osis Plus. This is the same brand as Got To Be. Parang Swaz Waterfall. Wala ko ng very konti lang. Tapos massage ko lang sa buhok. And now, I think I'm ready. Yun lang. Bye. Love you.